Namaste. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a domino animation in SolidWorks. So to do that, we need to first create a geometry. So click on assembly, click on insert component, select new part. Remember, I'm gonna make all parts in my assembly, not individual parts. So here, see, click on part, click on edit component, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, normal screen to the view. After that, we need to draw lines and draw it as per your requirement. Let's say 50 mm, 23, 15, and this length is 150 mm. This length is 10 mm. And click OK. Click on features. Click on extrude boss base. Select the mid plane and extrude it up to a length of 100 mm. And okay, I guess I've done more than requirement. So let's reduce it. Let's say extrude up to 30 mm and select this top face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 and draw a line here so that our balls and domino doesn't fall outside the boundary. That is the reason I'm creating a boundary. Click no. Click on reverse direction. Decrease the thickness to 5 mm and make it 30 and click on direction 2, select up to surface, click OK and check the merge result and make sure right click on this pattern, click okay, I can't change the transparency, so just reduce the size, say 10 mm. 10 mm is good. Okay, after that exit the sketch, exit the assembly component. Now click on new part, select this component, click on edit component, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8, draw a line. Let's say its length is 30 mm. Click on features, click on extrude base boss, select the mid plane, enter the value of 28 mm. You can change the thickness as per your requirement. Here I am making the thickness of 5 mm. After that, exit the assembly, click here, right click on it, click on float so that we can move around. After that, click on mates, select delete this, click on advanced mate, click on width. So basically what I'm doing is I'm sure that this face is in the middle of this. Click OK. After that, go to linear pattern, click on linear, select this edge and make sure it reverse direction. As you can see, the arrow is pointing here in opposite direction as per our requirement. So I'm selecting reverse direction and decrease the distance and decrease the number of domino. Click OK. After that, what basically we need is the last thing is a sphere or bolts to make it fall. So click on insert new part, select the part, right click on it, click on edit component, select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 Now draw a line, remove the unnecessary line, give it dimension of 15 mm. Go to features, click on revolve baseboard, select this line, click OK, exit the sketch. Now go to motion study, click on contact, select all the parts. Remember, when I will do simulation, it will the simulation is not gonna work properly because it's gonna do a lots of mistake. So basically, I'm gonna first tell you what kind of mistakes are gonna happen, and I will tell you how to rectify them. That is the reason you watch a tutorial. So click OK, and reduce this time to 2.5 seconds, and click on gravity, click Y direction, click OK, and as you can see that the solid body contact and gravity are not highlighted. So to make it highlight, go to motion analysis, and after that just click on calculate. When you click on calculate, you will see that our dominoes fall before our ball falls, and what's going on here? So so it's basically error. So let's see how to rectify them. So first go to initial and go to gravity, click on edit feature, select the axis, click OK. After that, here you see that local pattern. So basically what happening here, when you move a one, all of them will gonna move it along with it. So so that it doesn't happen, what we can do is, okay, I need one more pattern. Click OK, click yes, click OK. As you can see, when I mate a one, all other also get mated. The reason is that they are local pattern. So we what we need during simulation is that they all act individually, not as a pattern. So to do that, right click on this local pattern, click on dissolve pattern, so that they all act as an individual pattern. As you can see, they will all gonna act as a now individual pattern. Now click on calculate. Here you will still see some error. For example, I don't think this simulation is still gonna work properly. Okay, first question arising in my mind: why the hell is the ball is not falling? The reason is that the ball is not in float. The ball is actually a fix. So right click on it, click on float, and move it backward. Click on calculate. Here you see now ball falls. After collision, it start falling all the dominoes. The last one doesn't fall. As you can see that all the animation is done in less than a second. So I unnecessarily increase the time at 2.5 seconds, because there is no need for the 2.5 seconds, because all of animation is done in less than that time. And let's increase the FPS to 30, 40. Okay, click on calculate again. Here you can see in simulation. So if you learn something from this video, so don't forget to give a thumbs up in this of this video on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.